What's good YouTube, it's your boy Unboxing by M. Of course we're back with a brand new unboxing. This time around, it's a pretty hype unboxing. Wait, before we get into that of the unboxing and whatnot, yo, special shout out to the people at OVO for the fast shipping. That shipped so quick. It was actually a good feeling, you know? When your package comes on time, you don't wait months and years. For those who've ordered Travis's merch or any other merch, no, they ship within 6 to 8 months. But with that being said, shout out to OVO, shout out to my people at OVO, the fast shipping of course. Let's get back into the unboxing. So today what we have here, well, it's nothing really. I just showed you my address, sorry about that. But right here we have, as you can see, a big bag. This is some merch from OVO, but it's not just any merch from OVO, okay? It's not any regular merch, alright? Oh my god. So this right here, of course, is the CLB merch. So first and foremost, Drake is dropping a new album, of course, so you know the Nike related merch and all that is dropping. So first and foremost, you know, I find socks as a pure essential. So first and foremost, I got the Certified Lover Boy socks. As you can see here, it's Nike socks, so they're obviously 100% comfy. Like, come on, like it's a no joke thing out here, bro. So Nike socks are probably the best socks. Supreme socks are pretty nice too with the Hanes collab that they have. But these right here, pack of 3 Certified Lover Boy, as you can see, socks right here. I'm not gonna open up. Next we got the Certified Lover Boy Nike tee. So of course I'm gonna open it up. Yo, you know the prices of this? And this, yo, I'm gonna snap a picture up of my total amount of my transaction right here. That's the total. Not that bad, honestly, for the Nike collab. Nike tees and hoodies and socks kind of go for a lot, but what I've heard from the reviews of the material and the quality is pretty damn good. So that's the total of my prices and whatnot. And then StockX resale prices are right here for the hoodie, shirt, and the socks. So first and foremost, I'm gonna open up this tee right here. God damn. Yo, that kind of looks small still. I should have got a large. God damn. Yeah, but there you have it, Certified Lover Boy tee from Nike. This is screen printed on, but the Nike logo is stitched onto the tee itself. You also got the Certified Lover Boy at the back right here. Pretty neat, actually. This is fire. And then you got Drake's, I don't want to say signature, but his name at the bottom of the shirt. Fine writing, you can say, but there you have it. I'm gonna throw this shirt on right now. Give me 1 second. 5, 4, 3, 2. So there you have it, CLB merch of course. I should have got a large. I was thinking of getting a large, but this could do. If anything, I'll just give it to Dave, honestly. But yeah, there you have it. Cotton, pretty decent. Next, we got the hoodie. For those who know me, you know I got probably the best hoodie collection out there right now. In terms of hoodies, just in general, my hoodies slap. I just had a sick hoodie collection. It is what it is at the end of the day. But yeah, here we go. Without further ado, God damn, Certified Lover Boy. Nah, this hoodie hard, bro. Nothing on the back, of course, it's just blank. But this right here is fire, bro. The roses are literally stitched onto the hoodie. One of my boys, Sebastian, I'm gonna slap it up. He told me to, you know, remove the screen print of the CLB and just leave the roses. So I may do that, maybe, but honestly, the roses and the swoosh here is stitched on, and the hoodie, I mean the CLB is screen printed, of course. This is honestly the same material of the Raptors hoodie that I have, which is super cozy, but this is fire. Hold on, I'm gonna throw this on right now. Certified cozy boy. Nah, seriously, this hoodie is actually hard. The roses are like stitched on and shit. This is probably the hardest part about it. Okay, we're good. Anyway, so there you have it, Certified Lover Boy merch. Shout out to my people at OVO and Drake Related for the fast ass shipping and for the merch. Honestly, yo, this is super cozy. Yo, just know they're dropping another drop soon, but stay posted. But honestly, the collaboration of this, yo, they had the shirt, the hat. I don't want a hat because I don't look good in a hat to begin with, but they had hats, socks, hoodie. This hoodie as well in a black colorway, same thing as a tee. Then you had the Friends and Family puffer jacket. It was a black and like a pink color. And they had the other tee, Friends and Family. I think it could be the cover of the album, but it's two women together. Like it's like a painting of it. I'll slap a picture of it and whatnot. But honestly, let me know what you think about the merch and all that down below in the comment section. Yo, I can't stop looking at this rose. So fire. But yeah, Let me know down below in the comment section what you think about the merch. Would you cop? Would you not? What would you do? Please subscribe to the channel. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the like button if you like the video, and hit the notification bell. But there you have it. CLB merch, of course. You know, I have to support. Just have to. Over your ties, man. It is what it is. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I got more coming. Alright? Take care. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3.